boys. Hi, Zorro. No, Bandit. Good boys. I love you, Bandit and Zorro. I love you, boys.